Yeah. Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
What?
PSEUDO.
Hey! I hear me.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
Will you keep quiet? You the mad?
PSEUDO. Pronounce it. Soludo.
Jesus! Mommy, oh, my body they shake. Mommy, oh, my body they shake. My body they shake.
What? Sidio. Is that what? Sidio.
Hit the ground running.
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
What?
No. PSEUDO.
You can wish.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Yeah, pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
Jesus!
What?
PSEUDO now.
PSEUDO.
PSEUDO, yeah.
Stop talking nonsense, my friend.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
Madam, where the apple now?
Spell what you're saying. Spell what you're saying.
PSEUDO.
Yeah, pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
What?
PSEUDO.
Presido.
PSEUDO.
Presido.
All these girlfriend wey person dey get, what did they use am do?
Pronounce this word.
Protito.
Madam, you say wetin?
Protito.
Spell it. Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Yes.
Yeah, pronounce it.
Protito.
What?
Protito.
Madam, you are under arrest.
As the new footballing season kicks off with the Premier League coming soon, here are 4 reasons why you should bet on OneXBet as your preferred betting platform. 1. If you register using the promo code JojoFulani, you get 300% bonus off your first deposit. 2. On some certain matches, OneXBet activates the novice bet offer where you get a refund upon losing the game. 3. OneXBet has fantastic offers where you win prizes and cashbacks for participating. 4. On OneXBet, you can bet on several matches. You can also predict the winner of a certain tournament. I mean, from the beginning of the tournament, you predict the end of the tournament. You win fantastic prizes for that. Isn't that amazing? So hurry up and use the promo code JojoFulani to get started today. Let's go. O'Shea.
Just pronounce this word for me.
PSEUDO.
Spell it. Spell it.
Say PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
PSEUDO. I can't.
PSEUDO.
PSEUDO.
There you go. Idiot. Wrong.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
Damn it, shit, man.
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
What?
PSEUDO.
Come on, get top from the.
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
Shut up, no talk again.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
Sido, the P is silent.
Make you stop to the claim, I beg, not the claim. I know you.
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
What?
PSEUDO.
Guess, eh?
Pronounce this word.
PSEUDO.
I could have killed a lot.
Spell it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce it.
PSEUDO.
Pronounce this word.
I can't pronounce it.
Try. Attempt.
I can't pronounce it.
Try. No, I will correct you if you don't get it right. Pronounce this word.
Do.
What?
PSEUDO.
A big one.
Really?
Yeah.
It's not PSEUDO. It's pseudo.
Pseudo.
Say pseudo.
Pseudo.
No, it's free. It's not money. You stay fair. So see what you do for me. Pronounce this word.
Idiot, what do you do?
I don't know. Pseudo.
Chop. You good. Be confident.
So today's word is pronounced pseudo. Pseudo is a derogatory way of saying something is not genuine, something is not real. An example sentence is saying, we need real content creators, not the pseudo kind. I hope you learned something new today. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. God bless you as you do so. Oh, share, cheese.